There are a number of reasons why you might need a social media marketing strategy. First, social media is a great way to connect with potential and current customers. It's a way to build relationships and engage with your audience. Second, social media is a powerful tool for promoting your brand and driving traffic to your website or blog. Third, social media can help you create content that is shareable and engaging, which can lead to more customers and conversions. As social media is a great way to connect with potential and current customers. It allows businesses to build relationships with their target audience and create a community around their brand. Additionally, social media platforms can be used to generate leads and drive sales. As a business owner, you're always looking for ways to reach more customers and convert them into paying customers. And one way you can do that is by using social media to create shareable and engaging content. When your content is shareable, it means people are more likely to see it and engage with it. When people engage with your content, they're more likely to become customers. So how do you create shareable and engaging content? Here are some tips. Use images and videos. People are more likely to share and engage with content that includes images and videos. So whenever possible, include them in your posts. Be timely. If you can tie your content to current events or trends, people will be more likely to share it. However, it's important to use social media in the right way. Spamming potential customers with marketing messages is not going to win you any fans. Instead, focus on creating valuable content that will help your target audience solve their problems. If you can do that, you'll find that social media can be an incredible asset for your business.